What's going on to the entire world? This is Todd Norton here. I just bought this GoPro and I'm just like testing this guy out. This is probably a sick ass GoPro, to be honest. Holy crap. This is unreal. This actually performs better than my actual camera does. I just bought this for 200 bucks. I just hope I don't regret not buying the other one. How does it look? Oh wow, wait a minute. What is this guy doing? I'm still filming, right? Oh wow. It's got pretty good. Nice, that's pretty cool. Trying my hand out of it. I don't have a standard, so of course I'm just, trying to make sure. What is this lady doing? I don't know. She almost hit me. I'll turn off the camera now. Just testing it out,